Shungite has been used for centuries in Russia for its healing and protective properties. In the 1700s, Tsar Peter the Great noted that the miners working in the Karelian Shungite mine were less prone to disease than other miners in the region. Later, the Tsar ordered the construction of a large pottery factory in Karelia to use Shungite as the main component, as the rock was able to withstand high temperatures and had anti-corrosive properties. Furthermore, Shungite was used in the past to purify water and as a healing stone. The people of the Karelia region used it to treat various conditions including joint pain, skin problems and stress. Protection against electromagnetic radiation. Shungite has been used to protect against radiation emitted by electronic devices such as cell phones, computers and Wi-Fi routers. Antioxidant properties. Shungite is rich in fullerenes, which are powerful natural antioxidants. Fullerenes are a form of carbon composed of atoms arranged to form a closed sphere structure or a cylindrical structure. They were first discovered in 1985 by a group of scientists who won the 1996 Nobel Prize in Chemistry for this discovery. Fullerenes were discovered naturally in Shungite, a black carbon rock native to Russia, but they can also be artificially produced in laboratories. Fullerenes have unique properties due to their geometric structure. For example, fullerenes can contain metal atoms within their structure, thus creating compounds with magnetic and electron transport properties. Furthermore, fullerenes have been studied for their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to penetrate cell membranes. Fullerenes have been used in various fields, such as medicine, chemistry, electronics and physics. For example, fullerenes have been used to create energy storage materials, such as lithium fullerene batteries, and have been used to create new medicines and medical therapies. In general, fullerenes are of great interest to the scientific community as they have unique and promising properties for numerous applications. Some of the proposed healing uses for fullerenes include cancer treatment. Fullerenes have been studied for their anti-tumor properties, as they can interact with cell membranes and induce cell death. Additionally, fullerenes can be used to deliver anti-tumor drugs directly to cancer cells. Antiviral therapies. Fullerenes have been used as antiviral agents because they can interact with viral membranes and prevent them from replicating. Anti-infection therapies. Fullerenes have been used to combat bacterial and fungal infections, as they can interact with the cell membranes of microorganisms and induce cell death. Nervous system damage therapies. Fullerenes have been used to treat nervous system damage because they can interact with cell membranes and improve nerve transmission. Therapies of damage to the cardiovascular system. Fullerenes have been used to treat damage to the cardiovascular system, as they can interact with cell membranes and improve blood circulation. It is important to underline that most of these healing properties of fullerenes are still under study, and there is still no conclusive scientific evidence on their effectiveness. Thanks for watching.